everybody, today this is the way that Ocean Wave we're gonna go. So today's the last day of Ocean Waves. We're gonna go to another hotel. My sister likes radiation, but I like Movenpick. We had to stay together. Which is we're gonna go? Movenpick. My sister said Movenpick, so let's go. Here's the yard of Ocean Wave. It has a restaurant next to us. It's buffet, and now we're going back up to level 8 to go home. And look at all this water. Look over here. It's so fresh. So shiny and diamonds. Shiny like diamonds. Now we're going up to level 8. Oh my god, so similar.